What's going on YouTube? It's your boy B-Blanco, man. Hey man, I'm back with another video, man. Listen, hey man, it's been a while, but we do have another sneaker unboxing, and as you can see in the title, we have the Nike Ja 3 in the Chinese New Year colorway, man. Let me go ahead and show you the size tag right there. Light chocolate / metallic gold is all it says on for the colorway. Let me go ahead and let's just look at the detail with the gold for the handle right there. We got the gold Nike check on the back of the box. We got 2026 on the other side, another Nike check. But the star of the show is the top of the box, man, with the Chinese New Year logo right there, man. It's so clean. And then on the bottom of the box here, we do have our standard kind of Nike swoosh, you know, trademarks, but they put the gold lettering on that, man. It's so clean. I love when sneaker brands do cool things like this and they do collabs. Like, as a sneakerhead, you know, as a longtime sneakerhead, I just love it, man. So let's go ahead and open the box. I ain't gonna have y'all keep y'all waiting too long, but hold on, man. Y'all see that right there? That's a dust bag, man. That's a dust bag with the Chinese New Year logo on it, bruh. It looks so good, man. Look at that, bro. It looks so good. And we have the gold laces, man, to top it off, bruh. It is so clean, man. Let's go ahead, look at the paper with the Chinese New Year paper going all over it right there, bro. And you guys can see we have more Chinese New Year logo right here, and that's also on the other side of the box too. Let's go ahead and open the box, man. Y'all came for the shoes, not the box, right? I get it. I'm sorry, my bad. Let's go ahead and open it, man. Regular paper. I ain't gonna sit here and act like I didn't even see the shoe, bro, because I definitely looked through the shoe. And fun fact, I actually didn't buy this shoe. My girlfriend got these for me for Valentine's Day, man, because she knew that I've been wanting this shoe, man. W girl in the chat, bro. But just go ahead and look at the Nike Ja 3s, bro. These are so clean. Hold on, let me put the box down so I can really show y'all these shoes, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Can we just take a second to pause right there? Let me go ahead and slow-mo a 360 view of this. This is just such a beautiful shoe, bro. I don't even know what to say. Just look at how the colors hit, man. This is kind of like a light baby blue right here on the for the logo, and then for this logo right here, I'm not sure what this says. It's just 1MT. I don't know exactly what that stands for. If you guys know, put it down in the comment section. That was on his original shoe. I did have the Ja 1s as well. And let's just go look at the outsole. Has his numbers 1 and 2 on both shoes. And let me go ahead and kind of zoom in for you guys. Let's show the 1, and it says on this shoe, this is the right shoe, it says can you guys see that? Yes, it says a happy jaw is a scary jaw. All right. And it says on this shoe with the 2, it says I'm not even worried about proving them wrong. This is just phenomenal details on this shoe, bro. Like, it looks so good. It looks so good, bro. And I love the fact that all these right here, this print is just all literally Ja's logo all across the shoe. Like, I've never seen this before. You know what I mean? And to top it off, you know what I mean, with the gold, as you guys can see, man, I love the gold, man. I love the gold, you feel me? And I actually had this. I got this a few years back. This is from Rastaclat, the brand. They just make kind of like rope lace bracelets. I actually got this probably like over 5 years ago. I don't even remember. So I just felt like it was perfect for this video. But let me show you guys the insole just so you guys can see the detail on the shoe is just so good. It's too good. All right, and then we have the Nike well, the branding there. I'm not sure. I'm assuming this stands for Chinese New Year, but if you guys know what this says, please let me know down in the comment section. But as you guys can see on that fur, it says this shoe contains real fur, calf. It says it's dyed calf bounty fur, and it's from Brazil. Just look at that, bro. Just look at that quality, bro. This is real fur right here, bro. And for that reason, we are not going to be hooping on these outside. We are strictly going to be hooping indoors with these, man. We're not taking these outside. I have not hooped in these yet. I actually, unfortunately, have a knee injury that I'm kind of dealing with right now. So I'll be out for like a month or two, but these are just like, they're just staring at me, bro. I try to put them away in the closet, but like I just see that bright red box and I'm just like, bro, I want to hoop so bad. But man, these are so, like, bro, these are so beautiful, man. Let me know how you guys feel about this shoe down in the comment section. Did you guys cop this shoe? Did you guys cop another colorway? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? For me, 10 out of 10. This is a beautiful shoe. And of course, we have the Nike, the new Zoom X technology. So that's why I'm so excited to hoop in these, but it's gonna be a little minute. It is what it is. It's cool. But as far as the sizing goes, so I did own the Jaw 1. Those are trash. I played with those outside. I also did wear a size 13. Now, generally in my regular sneakers, like I would say my lifestyle sneakers, I do wear a size 12. So all my Jordans, all the ones that I just kind of walk around lounging, I wear a size 12. In my hooping shoes, I wear a size 13 because I do need extra space just in case it my toe bumps against the front, and I need room to be able to slide in, jump, pivot, stop, you know what I mean? So this is not any different from any other kind of Jaw sneaker if you guys have owned ones in the past. They do fit similar, I would say, to the LeBrons. If you guys have tried the LeBrons, I do like the LeBrons as well. But yeah, in any Nike basketball sneaker, I'm pretty much a size 13. So go with your true to size for Nike basketball. But like I said, man, let me know what you guys think about these down in the comment section. I mean, I don't even know if I went over everything that I was supposed to because there's just so much going on with the shoe. But I wouldn't even mind rocking these casually, man. Like, these are just, it's such a nice shoe, man. Let me just go ahead and showcase the left shoe because I've been just holding the right shoe up. But just look at that like shiny gold check, right? And then we go to the other side. It's gold and it's shiny gold, but it's in that same mesh material, so it's a breathable shoe. And like I said, man, I just can't wait to hoop in these. Can't hoop in them right now, but like I said, let me know down in the comment section how you guys feel about these. I hope everybody enjoyed this sneaker review, man. I know I don't usually do sneaker reviews, but you know, when I do, man, we got some heat, you feel me? But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Take care, stay safe out there, and I'm out, people.